the Soundcore Motion X600. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will take a look at a portable speaker by Soundcore, the Motion X600. I will go over specs, features, provide audio samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide and a USB-C charging cable. The speaker comes in 3 color options, gray, blue, and green. It has a portable slim design which features 5 drivers and amplifiers, with a total output of 50 watts. It has up to 12 hours of playtime, LDAC and high-res audio, spatial audio which creates an immersive listening experience, app integration, and it's IPX7 waterproof. Taking a look at the speaker, you can see it's slim and it's lightweight, coming in at just over 4 pounds. The housing is made of a combination of metal and plastic. You have 4 drivers on the front and 1 on the top, and the carrying handle has the branding and it feels solid. The top, you have the controls, the power button, Bluetooth pairing, spatial audio, bass up, and playback. You can also pair this with another X600 to get stereo sound. The bottom has rubber padding for stability, and on the back you have the charging port and auxiliary port. Taking some measurements, it comes in at 12 inches by 6.5 by 3.2 inches. And as mentioned earlier, this has app integration. Once connected, you can see the battery levels and control playback. You can also select from EQ presets or customize your own. And now for some audio samples.
Waiting on the edge of this moment, holding out for something golden. Found a light on a hill. I was waking up, looking for peace in a world that's divided. Gotta hold on tight when you find it. I was turning around, I was waking up. You're pulling me right in, rotate to you again. I'll live the rest of my life by your side. I wanna stay here forever, playing it all night the radio. Don't see how it could be better, all I know is don't let.
Gonna get a lot of dough. Anything is possible. Turn me up in the headphone. Yeah. Trying to get a lot of dough and dirt through all the obstacles, cause anything is possible. Yeah. Oh man, I got a lot of goals. Stack that bread and vomit nose. Anything is possible. Yeah. Trying to get a lot of dough and dirt through all the obstacles, cause anything is possible. Hey. Oh man, I got a lot of goals. Stack that bread and vomit nose. Anything is possible. Hey. I grind to get a lot of dough and dirt through all the obstacles.
Here are my thoughts on the speaker. I like the overall design, portable and it feels well built. I was impressed with the sounds. The bass is tight and punchy and it doesn't overwhelm. Mids and highs are clean and clear, and it has a wide soundstage and an immersive listening experience. It did well as I tested it through various music genres. This is something to keep on your list in my opinion if you're in the market for a portable speaker that just sounds good. So that is my review of the Soundcore Motion X600 portable Bluetooth speaker. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.